Jai Srimannarayana. 9th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adha chittam samadhatum na shaknoshi mayi sthiram अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय. ओम. Try to fix your mind on Sri Krishna Paramatma repeatedly. Keep on practicing it. Realize that Krishna Paramatma is the treasure, is the source of all the wonderful qualities and exalted attributes like love, beauty, compassion, sweetness, wisdom, majesty, courage, valor, etc. Keep on realizing these wonderful qualities. Keep fixing your mind on Sri Krishna Paramatma alone. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on repeatedly fixing my mind on you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on realizing that you are the source and treasure of all the wonderful qualities and exalted attributes. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 216th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Paramatma, Sri Krishna Bhagavan, in Vrindavanam, in the form of so many boys, in the form of so many baby cows, giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Krishna Paramatma, with his original form, he is giving darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. What is his original form? Brahma and all other living beings, everyone, including Brahma means every living being, will be offering their oblations to their most beloved forms. So Bhagavan Sri Mahavishnu will be receiving all their oblations through their most beloved forms. What kind of services they are offering? Nritya Geetadi Anekadyaihi Prudhak Prudhak Upasitaha. They are offering sevas like Nrityam, Geetam, so many sevas. So Paramatma receiving, Sri Mahavishnu receiving all those sevas from all the devatas and all other entities. Such Sri Mahavishnu. Now, in many forms, like many Sri Mahavishnus, he is giving beautiful darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Not only that, Animadyaihi Mahimabhihi Ajadyabhihi Vibhutibhihi Chaturvimsatibhihi Tatvaihi Paritaha Mahadadibhihi. Anima Siddhi means having a form which is most subtle. Mahima Siddhi means having a form which is extremely big. Such both forms Sri Mahavishnu has. And Sri Mahavishnu's form is an embodiment of Sattva Gunam. And his personification is Jnanam Anandam. Such Mahavishnu with glowing Divya Mangala Vigraham in many forms, as many Sri Mahavishnus, giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Time, nature, culture, karma, attributes, all these things took their own personifications, their own embodiments, their own forms. And then they are all worshipping Sri Mahavishnu. Like that, Sri Mahavishnu, who is being worshipped by all the devatas and all living beings, in many Sri Mahavishnu forms, in Vrindavanam, he is giving darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma, who is looking at Vrindavanam. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 9th sloka. Adhachittam samadhatum na shaknoshi mayi sthiram abhyasa yogena tataha mamichhaptum dhananjaya. Adhachittam samadhatum na shaknoshi mayi sthiram abhyasa yogena tataha mamichhaptum dhananjaya. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.